Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video today I'm going to be sharing with you a micro work site in which you can use and start earning in dollars for yourself. Yes, right on this on my channel I've been able to share some micro work sites in which a lot of you have been able to jump into and are already earning from it, where I shared about Owo Daily and many other micro work sites like Viral Train and many of that. But in this video today I'm going to share with you a micro work site which is known as picoworker. Picoworker is a micro work site too, where people drop their jobs and people also go there, pick up the job or carry out the job tasks, and then they get paid in dollars. They get paid in dollars, right? Where people generate traffic to their website and to their blog. And for you to be able to do all of these things and start earning in dollars in this picoworker, you need to have a working PayPal account which can be able to allow you to receive and send money. So before you are able to do this, you need to create a working PayPal account. So if you don't have a working PayPal account, all you just need to do is to go to my channel here. You see the video where I created how to create a verified PayPal account. This is the video. I'll leave the link in the description box on how you can be able to create a working PayPal account that can receive and send money to your bank account. So do well to watch the video, create it, and then get started with the picoworker. So once you have been able to do that, the next thing you need to do or understand is that picoworker can be able to allow you to make your withdrawal once you have at least $5. So once you have $5 in your account or in your PayPal account in which you must have done the jobs or the tasks that have been done, it will allow you to withdraw your fund down to your local bank account. So all you just need to do is to understand that once you have made the withdrawal, it takes at least 10 working days before it arrives to your bank account and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create and verify your picoworker account, and I'm also going to show you how to pick a tax on this particular platform I'm going to share with you right now, and how you can be able to make money on this picoworker and earn at least $10 every day if you do the tasks that are required. So if you put in more work, you will see that you'll be able to earn in this particular website. So the very first thing you need to do is to come to your Google browser, whether you are using your phone or you're using your PC. All you just need to do is to go to picoworkers.com. So I'm going to type in picoworkers.com. So once I type picoworkers.com, it will take me to this very next page. Now this is the page here where it will take me to. So this is the page it will take me to. So you will see it will appear in the home screen like this. This is picoworker. So you have the opportunity to be on the affiliate program or you be a freelancer on the website. So they say where picoworker works, they say an online marketing place that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do, affordable tasks. So they give you an affordable task for you to do, and then you get started. So once you jump into this website or you register to this website, it will give you opportunity to do any of these works that you want to do, and then you get started with it and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you how to do all of these things. I'm going to help you so that you can be able to know the kind of tasks in which you can be able to carry out and then get started with it and start earning in dollars. So very first thing you need to do is to come to this up here. You will see sign up. I'll just click on it. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description box where you can be able to sign up to this website, and then you get started with it, and then you know what to do. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you to be able to sign up. So guys, once you click on the sign up button, it will appear like this. Here you have the prompt where it will tell you to put in your real name here, you put in your email account, you put in your password, then you confirm your password, then you put in your nickname in which you want to appear on the website, and then you select your country. Once you've been able to do that, you can now decide to select whether you want to be an employer or you want to be a worker on the site. So all you just need to do is to click on the worker, then you come down here and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click on the toolbox, just click on it, and then see you click on sign up and your account will be verified. So I'm going to do all of these things right now together with you so that we can be able to move to the next thing to show you how all of these things work. So I'm going to sign up right now to put in my name and everything. So guys, after I have been able to put in my name, everything, and then agree to the terms and conditions and click on it, I click on submit, and this is it. It now brings me to this very page where it says almost deactivated. All you just need to do right now is to confirm your email account. They say confirm your email account and be part of the community. So all I have to do right now is to go to my email account and then confirm and then log into this particular page again. So I'm going to confirm my page right now. So guys, this is the email that I just received from picoworkers. So for me to be able to confirm or activate my account, I need to click on this link. So I'll click on the link. It will take me directly to picoworker. So once I click on the link, this is what will appear. So all I have to do right now is just to accept this, I agree to this information and all of that. So I'll just click on I agree. You can go through all of these statements here in order for you to understand what this is all about. You know, their terms and conditions and all of that. So go through it on your own leisure time, and you see that you get to understand how picoworker works and all of that. So I click on this I agree. Guys, after you must have accepted the terms and conditions that is required, all you just need to do now is to look for your job that you have to do right now. And as you can see here, the first job here, they have up to 714 jobs right now in which you can do. And the first one here says add extension, which is available right now, and this they are looking for 200 individuals to do this particular job, and they will earn 0.351 cents, if not up to $1. So if you do this more often, you'll be able to get the result you are looking for. But these are not the kind of job in which I need you guys to do, because these jobs are somehow complicated. This one says join airdrop and all of that. All these kind of jobs here are so complicated that even when you are doing it, you get confused and you get tired. But for you to be able to look for the kind of job you will do right now, in which I will suggest for you to do, come to this search category here. As you can see on my screen, come to this search category here, type YouTube, YouTube. Once you type YouTube, you then click on the search button, allow it to load up. It will bring out some YouTube information and content in which you need to work out. So guys, once you have typed the YouTube and you search on it, whether you're using your phone or you're using your system, once you type YouTube here and search on it, you will see different results. Like you have 3 results here. This one says watch YouTube and then like the video. So all you just need to do is to do this particular stuff, and they are looking for 200 individuals to do this particular stuff, and you earn 0.1 cents. So you have another option here to also do this other one, which is 0.07 cents. So you can also do this particular. This one said watch, like and comment for Android users only. So you can also do this. You have also this other one here that talked about Gmail plus YouTube channel, create your account and all of that. You can just decide to do this and you earn 0.1 cent too. So let me just show you guys how all of these things goes. So all I have to do right now is just take me to this particular area where it asks me to select whether I'm a male or female, put in my date of birth, then put in the security question here, then pick my city, and then put in my security answer. Once I do that, I just click on save. So I'll just do it right now so that I can be able to carry out my first task and submit it, and then get the best out of it. So let me just do it right now so that I can be able to show you guys how this particular stuff works effectively. Guys, after I've submitted that, my name and my date of birth with some security question, I'll click on OK. It will bring me to this page where I'm going to carry out this first work, which is watch a YouTube video and then click on like. Here they say you can finish this job and submit your proof. So I'll click on submit proof here once I've done that. So they say extended country, Indonesia, employer and all of that, blah blah blah, all of these things and all that. They say time of rate is 7 days. So these are the time that is required for you to do this work. So right now this is the task that we are going to do, which is this. They say, do you want to hold this job? I can click on hold, but I want to carry out the job immediately. So to be able to get started or do this particular work, they say what is expected from this work is that you go to youtube.com, then search for the provided keyword and then find the video. So I'll just copy this URL link here. Once I copy this URL link, I'll just copy it and then go to my browser, go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com, then search for this particular video. once I search for this video, I'll filter it and then put it to date. You see, use filter upload date by last hour or date today, then sort by date, filter by video duration to find the video more easier, then watch at least 4 minutes and like the video. Okay, then playback speed much normal. Okay, blah 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 blah. Then here it says send screenshot proof from your YouTube search and watch history to, I'll take this again, then search for it and then paste it here. Then I'll now send screenshot proof of my search and then find the video thumbnail, which is important, and all of that. So I'm going to do this thing right now so I can show you guys all of this. So after I must have done all of these things, they say the required proof task was finished. If I'm done with it, all I have to send is the YouTube watch history page. I should screenshot it, then screenshot that you found the video by screenshotting provided keyword. Then I will now your YouTube username. I will not send my YouTube username in order for me to receive the payment of this particular stuff. So once I've done all of those things, this is where I have to put in all the proof. This is where I have to put in all these requirements that are above here. Then I'll now submit it. I'll now click on submit. So let's just do all of these things together right now. So the first thing here, they say go to youtube.com, and this is youtube.com here. This is a normal youtube.com. So the next thing I have to do right now is to search for the provided keyword, finding this particular video. So I'll go to YouTube right now, go to this search button, paste this particular URL link here. So I'll paste it and then click on search. So it's loading up, and as you can see here, this is what has been provided. So I don't know the particular one, so what I'm going to do right now is to be able to filter it. They say use filter upload date by last hour and all of that. So I'll go to back here, then go to filter here, look at the filter here, then I'll go to last hour. I'll go to, let me go back again. They say sort by filter using date by last hour or today. So I'm going to use last hour or today. Last hour. Let me click on today. This is the particular video, and in that video they said I should watch it for at least 4 minutes and like the video. So all I have to do right now is to go back to the YouTube channel here, then click on the video, then watch it and then like the video. Once I have liked the video, the next thing I have to do right here is to send this proof. They say I will check if the video was fully watched, and if you skipped it, you will not be paid. So I will make sure that I watch it at least 4 minutes so that I will be able to pay, and I should not play back. The speed must be normal, so I will not make it to be fast forward and all of that. So I'll watch the video behind the screen right now and then send a screenshot or proof of the YouTube search, and then watch the watch history. So I'm going to do that right away and then send a screenshot to the search button, all of that. So all of these things I'll have to submit it right down in this particular column right here. So first thing here, I'll screenshot your YouTube history page. I'll screenshot the history page, which is this is the history page here. I'll screenshot this history page so that they will be able to see this particular stuff here and then approve my payment. So all I have to do right now. So guys, after I've done that, all I have to do, I've been able to upload the pictures and the screenshots showing that I've been able to do all of those stuff. This is my username that have been provided. Then I'll click on submit. Once I click on submit, it will take me to the very next page, and then it says great, task submitted successfully. As you can see here, all I have to do is to back to work page. I'll go back to the work page, and this is the work page, and then I will now look for another job to do the same thing again, and then look for YouTube stuff to do. Yeah, look for YouTube work to do, and then you get started with it. This was what I just did, and I'm going to earn 0.07 cents. So imagine if you do this thing, or you do it 10 times, or you do times 10 of it every particular day, and you earn $10 every day. Is something quite impressive, and you'll be able to see that you will earn at least $10 every single day. At the end of the month, you can be able to withdraw a reasonable amount of money. So all you just need to do is to do all of this work stuff, and then you get yourself started and all of that. So why I don't want you to do the other work stuff in which are always available, like this extension here, is very, very complicated, but you can still try it out if you wish to, because you can still decide to jump into this work activity. Let me just show you what I mean. Here they say what is expected for workers only for laptop users. So for those individuals who doesn't have laptop, you find it difficult to do this particular stuff. So that's why I said I will not want all of you to do this particular one, but you can do the simple tasks in which you need to do. You can also come back here, look for a Facebook like something to do. Let me say Facebook. Okay, let me just click on Facebook and search, and as you can see here, Facebook micro influencer. All you just need to do is to leave honest feedback. No need for registration. All you just need to do is to leave an honest feedback. Let me just click on it. You can see how the work is. This is to show you that you can be able to do all of these things and get started. So all is required for you to do is to read the instructions and do it correctly. Open to this Facebook, blah blah blah. This is the URL link in which you need to search. Then appreciation, like the page, click on 3 points and save page. Then these are the examples that I give it to you. So if you do this particular stuff every single day, you will be able to earn a reasonable amount of money. So this is the requirement proof that is needed. You need a screenshot number 5. This is a screenshot number 5 with what they need. This particular one, press the button and then select recent as activity in order for you to get paid in what you are doing. So you need to do all of this stuff. Once you do it, you'll be able to get the required result, and then you submit your proof. So it's not difficult. Your username, you'll be submitted, and then once it has been checked and be able to see everything that has been done, you will be able to get paid and you receive your money to your PayPal account. This is just the simple steps you need to do every single day, and then you receive all the payments you need. Like here they say you receive 0.1 cent. So imagine if you do this every day. Let me just say you carry out 10 micro activity, you'll be able to get paid, let me say $5 as your strength might carry you, and then you will be able to earn a lot of stuff. So you can also increase your payment, or you can also increase your earning by referring a friend. This is the referral aspect of it. So this is my own referral link, as you can see here. So all you just need to do is to refer a friend. The referral activity says post your affiliate link on blogs, website, blah 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 blah, and then you earn commission for this revenue. So all you just need to do is to refer a friend, and then you earn 5% from it. They say 5% you get paid from every deposit tax. So once your link is being used by someone, you will earn from the person, and then you earn more apart from the micro work site or the work tax you're doing every particular day. So this is it, guys. All you just need to do is to understand all of this stuff and then get started. I will leave the link on how you can be able to register on this particular website in the description box. Please do well to use it, and then you get started. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to turn on the notification button, and don't forget to give this video a like so that more people can be able to see this particular video. See you on my next video. Peace.